Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz A-Class A220 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior and black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, .4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and A220 badging. And our trunk here. Rear seats. Memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle 34,315, push button ignition, navigation, radio, backup camera, Mercedes-Benz shifter, climate control, center console. And if you'd like to see more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.